Hello friends, today we'll see some of the mathematical functions of Excel. So these are the basic mathematical functions: add, subtract, multiply, divide, sum, minimum, maximum, count, counta, average and median. So we'll see the first example. So we'll see how we'll add two numbers in Excel. So let's say the first number was 3 and the second number was 4. So the function will be every function has to start with an equal to, and then we can write 3 plus 4. Otherwise we can also so we saw that the sum is 7. Otherwise we can also select the cells and we can do the sum. Example, equal to, and then we'll select the first cell and the second cell, so we get this the same result. Similarly, we'll see the subtraction function. So let's say we had to subtract two numbers, so here we'll do that the first cell equal to the first cell minus the second cell. Similarly, we'll do the multiplication function. So let's say we'll again do equal to and then the first cell, and then we'll have that as the multiply sign and then the second cell. Similarly, divide will be like we have to divide, let's say, two numbers, so 8 divided by 4. So we'll equal to the first cell and then divide symbol and then the second cell. The difference between sum and addition is like sum will add multiple values. So let's say like we have to sum all these numbers. So we'll just select from all the numbers and then we'll end the bracket. Similarly, minimum also we can do like this. We'll select all the values and we'll do. So here we can see that the minimum is 2. Like we can, if we see the values also, we can see that. Similarly, max function will work similarly. We can select everything and see the max function. Count will count all the cells which have either numbers or dates. So example, let's say this is the count. We'll see. So here we can see that there are 12 numbers, right? Even if we say like instead of column D ending, right? If we select some column some cells which have blank values also, then also it will give you the same count. The difference between count and counta is that it will also, the counta will also count, let's say, if some cells have any string or like letters or something. So let's say this has one string. So we'll see an example of counta. So here it will give value as 13 because it is counting this F2 cell as well. Average will be similar. So let's say there are 10 numbers or 5 numbers, let's say. So average will be like, we can put average and then we'll select all the values. It will give us the average value. Median will give us the median value, which is like the middle value of all these 5 numbers. So so we can see that the middle value is 2000, right? So like 3000, 5000 are above, and 1000 and these 1000 are below 2000. So this is like the middle value. So median will give us this. So these are the basic mathematical functions in Excel. See you in the next video.